Chiliz value equivalent to 2.2572 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.1995 to 2.3555. The earlier day close, 2.2270. The change was plus 0.0302, plus 1.36%. Opposite rate, ZAR to CHC. Chiliz cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost 2.35 rands, high 2.51, low 2.19. Chiliz estimate on Friday, April 7, cost 2.35 rands, high 2.51, low 2.19. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, April 10, cost 2.28 rands, high 2.44, low 2.12. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, April 11, cost 2.28 rands, high 2.44, low 2.12. In multi-week Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost 2.34 rands, high 2.50, low 2.18. Chiliz figure on Thursday, April 13, cost 2.28 rands, high 2.44, low 2.12. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost 2.38 rands, high 2.55, low 2.21. Chiliz figure on Monday, April 17, cost 2.42 rands, high 2.59, low 2.25. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost 2.26 rands, high 2.42, low 2.10. In about 14 days Chiliz figure on Wednesday, April 19, cost 2.25 rands, high 2.41, low 2.09. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost 2.26 rands, high 2.42, low 2.10. Chiliz conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost 2.20 rands, high 2.35, low 2.05. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 2.28 rands, high 2.44, low 2.12. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, April 25, cost 2.20 rands, high 2.35, low 2.05. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost 2.32 rands, high 2.48, low 2.16. Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, April 27, cost 2.24 rands, high 2.40, low 2.08. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 2.28 rands, high 2.44, low 2.12. Chiliz gauge on Monday, May 1, cost 2.16 rands, high 2.31, low 2.01. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 2.28 rands, high 2.44, low 2.12. In about a month Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost 2.33 rands, high 2.49, low 2.17. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 2.21 rands, high 2.36, low 2.06. Chiliz gauge on Friday, May 5, cost 2.30 rands, high 2.46, low 2.14. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2023. Initially cost at 2.14 rands, excessive cost 2.59, while low cost 2.05. It arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.27. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.28, change for April 6.5%. Chiliz figure for May 2023. To start with cost at 2.28 rands, exorbitant cost 2.69, while low cost 2.01. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.33. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.34, change for May 2.6%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 2.34 rands, excessive cost 2.34, while low cost 1.93. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.17. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.08, change for June 11.1%. Chiliz figure for July 2023. Before all else cost at 2.08 rands, excessive cost 2.30, while low cost 2.00. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.13. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.15, change for July 3.4%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 2.15 rands, exorbitant cost 2.66, while low cost 2.15. The found the middle value of cost 2.36. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.49, change for August 15.8%. Chiliz gauge for September 2023. In the first place, cost at 2.49 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.49, while low cost 1.94. They found the middle value of cost 2.25. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.09. Change for September 16.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at 2.09 rands. Excessive cost 2.09, while low cost 1.64. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.90. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.76. Change for October 15.8%. Chiliz figure for November 2023. Initially cost at 1.76 rands. Excessive cost 1.79, while low cost 1.55. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.69. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.67. Change for November 5.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at 1.67 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.05, while low cost 1.67. They found the middle value of cost 1.83. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.92. Change for December 15.0%. Chiliz estimate for January 2024. To start with cost at 1.92 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.39, while low cost 1.92. They found the middle value of cost 2.12. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.23. Change for January 16.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place, cost at 2.23 rands. Excessive cost 2.77, while low cost 2.23. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.46. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.59. Change for February 16.1%. Chiliz conjecture for WAC 2024. At the outset, cost at 2.59 rands. Excessive cost 2.59, while low cost 2.03. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.35. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.18. Change for spring 15.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset, cost at 2.18 rands. Excessive cost 2.18, while low cost 1.70. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.97. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.83. Change for April 16.1%. ZAR to CHC conversion standard equivalent to 0.4430 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.4245 minus 0.4546. The earlier days nearby 0.4490. Change for now 0.0060, 1.34%. ZAR to CHC cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Chiliz gauge on Thursday, April 6, cost 0.426 coins, high 0.457, low 0.398. ZAR to CHC forecast on Friday, April 7, cost 0.426 coins, high 0.457, low 0.398. Rand to Chiliz gauge on Monday, April 10, cost 0.439 coins, high 0.472, low 0.410.